Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to continue our same chapter, manners. Good manners are very essential in life as they help us to behave well in society. Good manners help us to win the heart of people. Therefore, one can create a unique personality due to good manners. Manners are important to make a good impression. Apart from all these things, our religion, Islam, always emphasizes to behave well with everyone and show respect to everyone. Students, today our topic is on table and food manners. Page number 40. If someone offers you food, you should either reply yes, please, or say no, thank you. Wait for everyone to be served before you begin eating. Students, it is not a good manner to start eating first. If you want to speak while eating, make sure your mouth is not full. If you would like to have some more, you should say, "May I have some more food, please?" Then don't forget to say thank you. Always place a napkin flat on your lap. When you have finished eating, place the napkin on the table and utensils on the plate. Students, all the things we use to eat food like spoon, knife, fork, plates, glasses, all these things are called utensils. Chew food with your mouth closed. Compliment the food, for example, that was delicious but I now full. If you have to burp, cover your mouth, burp, say excuse me. It is a bad manner to burp in between people and on dining table. Always keep your elbows off the table. Ask for something to be passed. For reaching is so rude. Mean to say that do not try to reach by yourself to pick anything on the table. Just call your nearby person to pass whatever you want. Now come to page number 41. Here we have a topic, blowing your nose means how should we blow our nose. Full tip of tissue to get a tissue out from the tissue box. Fold tissue in half, cover your nose and blow. Wipe until face is clean. Fold tissue and dab your nose. Throw tissue in dustbin. Now students, come on page number 44. Here we have some questions with responses, but the responses are not at their correct place, so we have to match the question with correct response. Question is, what should you say if you walk in front of someone? The answer would be excuse me. 2 is, letting someone use something you are using is called sharing. Number 3, when you ask for something you say please. When you receive something you say thank you. When you receive a gift you send a what? What do you send? You send a thank you card. If your parents ask you to do something, you show them what? You show them respect. If you make someone else upset or sad, you say, I am sorry. If someone is having a bad day and you see them upset, you ask, are you okay? When you meet someone, you say, nice to meet you. Okay class, hope you all understand it very well and will do work properly.